It's a 2017 Chrysler Pacifica. No matter your purpose, the Pacifica has been carefully crafted to help you achieve more than ever before. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: streaming audio, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, rear parking sensors, remote engine start, manual tilting steering column, V6 engine, active grille shutters, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. Car and Driver notes, amazingly, through the blizzard of new tech and safety equipment the Pacifica brings, the most impressive item is still Chrysler's super clever stow-and-go second-row seats that drop into the floor to expand cargo capacity. Chrysler, where bold ideas merge with brilliant innovation. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
We're conveniently located at 3400 Highway 61 North in White Bear Lake, Minnesota.